What's up, BSers? Welcome back to the shop, guys. Today I bought another tractor. We got a Kubota B6100. You got it's a 3-cylinder diesel, and yeah, I've been wanting another tractor. You know, I got my old Farmall Cub over there, but I wanted something a little bit more modern with a normal 3-point and PTO, and that's what I got in this itty bitty tractor. So we're gonna start her up, see if she starts. I do need wheels and tires. Look, this wheel right here, she's just shot, guys. And that's the wrong one over there. This is actually an 8-lug one someone put on here. Check the fluids here real quick. Alright, for this, it's gonna be nasty, guys. Eddie. Oh, look at that. Need to change that out. And then the oil over here. She's pretty dark, so we're gonna change that out. I'm gonna change that out, not in this video, but another video. I just want to show y'all this. I'm gonna see if we start it. So I want to pull the Ranger over here and hook the jumper cables to it. I got some diesel in there. Battery's too big for it. I gotta get another battery. So yeah, let's get that Ranger pulled over here. Danger Ranger. Super heavy duty jumper cables made out welding leads. It's the way to go. I'm starting a diesel. So, story short, my dad's been a tow truck driver for the last 30 years, and these are the jumper cables that he uses to jumpstart rigs. Now we're going to use them to start my Kubota. Throttle. Preheat those glow plugs. Make sure y'all seeing everything I do. So I think I want to set y'all in front here, so y'all can see the smoke show. There we go. Heat a little more. know if it's the pallet bearing or what, but listen to when you press into the clutch. It ain't making the noise today, but it was making a weird noise yesterday. We got some blow out here. Oh, smoke. I don't want to do much, but the this part does work. Don't want to use that much until after fluids are changed. And the PTO works back here. Back here. PTO does work. Shut her off. Yeah, to shut it off, you just kind of shut the turn the throttle all the way down on it, and that shuts it off. Bit smoky, but you know, I was watching a video and everybody that had one of these tractors, it smoked like that. Maybe it's just a thing with these tractors. I mean, it's an old diesel smoke. So it might get better and it might not. We'll go with an oil change and stuff on there and see if it gets better with time. If not, we'll do some more internal work to it. But until then, I want to get the tires fixed, the right battery, fluid changed on this. It does need one rear tire. This one, I thought about tubing it, but it looks pretty cracked. I don't know if the tire's gonna work on, a tube's gonna work on that one. So these is what's gonna cost me most is the front wheels and tires. The tires are cheap, the wheels not so much. Unless somebody in Texas happens to know where some of these 4-lug wheels are real cheap, let me know. Another question, guys, reading on the forums and on a manual, it says that the hydraulics for the lift of the 3-point works off the same fluid as the rear end, and the rear end fluid is 80W gear oil. Does that sound right, guys? I've never had one that had the hydraulics work off of gear oil. That's pretty thick. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. But that's what it says. It also says it takes 12 quarts of, so I'm just probably going to buy a 5-gallon jug. And oil change on it. Then I can start getting it used, start using it. Get a shredder, a little tiny shredder, some implements for it, and start getting it used. It starts easier each time. It's just probably set for a while. It starts easier each time now that I start it. I got a seat, so I'm gonna take the seat off the wheel horse and put its original seat back on and put that seat over on this one, so it has a nice seat. You see right there. And I think that's about it on it. It does start. That clutch actually sounding better. I don't know if it was just stuck a little bit. Probably just needs grease, really. I grease that clutch and see what it does. If not, I'll split it and put a new clutch in it. We just got done with this one with the new clutch. I got to rebuild the carburetor on it. It's flooding out where it's set for the last year. Waiting for me to buy a decent clutch. It's flooding out. So I got a carb kit coming for it today. And it'll be back up and going good. But yeah, I put actual decent clutch in it this time instead of a cheap one. Anyway, guys, that is it for this one. What do y'all think of my tractor? I spent $700 on it. I'm thinking I'll spend probably close to another $7 before it's all over with and fixing it up. So I'll have a little compact tractor for $1,400. I don't think that's too bad, guys. I don't know. What do y'all think? Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off here and I will see y'all next time in the shop. Later everyone, thanks for watching.